Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have another pattern for shawl. This is really nice and easy pattern to follow. The pattern starts from that size, then it's going to be increased in each row until you need your desired size or length. Let's get started. For the start, you can make magic loops, or you can make 8 chains. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we join the pattern together like this. Now it's time to make 3 chain. What we have to do, we make a long double crochet. Just take this one, the second one, and the third. Chain 1 for separation, and again we make a long double crochet by grab the yarn, insert the hook, take the first one, then the second one, and the last one more time. One chain and repeat. One chain and again. As you can see here, now I have 8. I have to make 2 more and I'll be back. As you can see here, at the end of row 1, I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 stitches considered as the first 2 for this corner, the last 2 for the left corner, and these 2 is going to be a start and keep continue in the middle. For the next row, what we have to do, we are going to change the pattern because we need to come to the middle of that. We're doing the sleeve stitches. Come to that part, the middle of these 4. Now we are going to chain 3 again. Repeat by make a long double crochet, 1 chain, 2 long double crochet in the same stitches like this. From now on we are going to repeat in each row. Then we chain 3 for the next one. Between these 2 we make a 2 poof stitches by make the first one, then chain 2 and make another poof stitches by grab the yarn 3 times like this. Then again chain 3. When it comes to the middle like this, we repeat like the one in the beginning by make 2 long double crochet, 1 chain, and another 2 long double crochet. From now on, as I told you, this one is going to be repeat in each row and the one here. Now it's time to make another poof stitch in these loops. What we have to do, we chain 3, we make a poof stitch, chain 2, another poof stitch, chain 3, and we repeat long double crochet at the end. Like this. Row 3, after we make the corner, we are going to chain 3. When it comes to the loops here, we make another loop stitches, chain 2, and in the same stitches 1 2 3, and in the middle we make 2 line double crochet, 1 chain, 2 line double crochet, like this. We do it the same the other side. Row 4, we are going to chain 3. Then, as you can see here, I have 2 rows of the puff stitch. This time we are going to make 5 line double crochet in this loop. 2. Between that one you have to make 1 chain, 1 line, 1 chain, 1 line double crochet, 1 chain, 1 line double crochet, 1 chain, and the last one, like this. Then we chain again 3, and we go to the middle by make 2 line crochet, 1 chain, 2 line double crochet, like this. We will do it the same the another side, and we'll be back. Row 5, after the corner we chain 1. Now it's time to increase the pattern by make flower like this. What we have to do in this 3 chain, we are going to keep to take the one in the middle and make a puff stitch by grab the yarn 3 times, chain 2, grab the yarn again 3 times in the same stitches to make a new pattern. Then we are going to chain 3. It comes to that part, we insert the hook in the first one and make 1 single crochet, chain 3 again, we make single crochet in the next one, chain 3, and repeat. One, two, three. As you can see here, the pattern should look like that. Now it's time to make another pattern like this here in this 3 chain. Again, insert the hook in the middle of the chain and make a 2 puff stitch by grab the yarn 3 times, chain 2 and make another puff stitch, chain 3, and it comes to the middle, make 1 line double crochet, the second one 1 chain, and the last 2, like this. We're going to do the same at the other side. For the next row, after the corner we chain 3. When it comes to the puff stitch, we repeat by make puff stitch, chain 2 for separation and poof stitch. Now it comes to that part, we chain 3 and we make a single crochet, then we chain 3 again, another single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet. As you can see here, we are going to have a pineapple shape here. Chain 3 and make another poof stitch. 1, 2, chain 3 and comes to the middle and repeat. I make 2, 1 chain and 2. The pattern should look like that. We do it the same side. For the next row, as you can see here, again we have 2 rows of these. It means the pattern should look like this, and we have to make a new pineapple here. What we have to do, after corner we make 3 chain. When it comes to that part, we start by make 5 long double crochet, 1 chain between, 1 chain between. This is 4 and 5, like this. Now we are in the pineapple. What we have to do, we chain 3, take the first loop, make a single crochet, chain 3 and take the second loop, chain 3. As you can see here, we are going to finish pineapple by this one. We repeat by make a 5 line double crochet, 1 chain between, 3 chain, and it comes to the middle. The pattern should look like that. We do it the same side. For this row and from now on, it's time to increase and repeat the pattern. As you can see here, in the beginning I have one pineapple, then I start to make the 2. Now it's time to start to make a 3 pineapple. What we have to do, after edge we make 1 chain and we come to that part again. Start by make a new pineapple. By grab the yarn 3 times, make a poof stitch, make another poof stitch in the same stitches, by grab the yarn 3 times, chain 3, make pineapple by chain 3 and 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, like this. Now when it comes to the middle, we chain 3, and here in this loop we make another pineapple by grab the yarn 3 times, 2 chain separation, chain 3. Now we come again to that pineapple, start by single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, 3 chain, 3 chain. As you can see here, I have 1, 2. I have to make another one here. So I take that one in the middle and make a proof stitch. Three chain, comes to the middle, like that. The pattern should look like that. As I told you, start with 1, 2, now we have 3, 1, 2, 3. We are doing the same other corner, and then after that you are going to repeat exactly like the one we made here. Next time, but make 2 puff stitch, 3 2 loop here, another puff stitch, 2 loop here, and the next row you are going to repeat to make again like that one. The next row you are going to have 4 of these pineapple. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just let me show you again. You have 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4 and 5, and then it's going to be increased by 1 pineapple in each 2 rows. Thank you to watch again. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.